Hi, welcome back. In previous tutorial, we have learned what is database and introduction to MySql. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download and install MySql on Windows platform and how to make its configuration. Let's start with Open MySql website www.mysql.com. Go to Download section. At bottom of the page, click on MySql Community Edition. This version is under General Public License. Click on Download under MySql Community Server. Select Platform. Here is different download packages of 32-bit and 64-bit architecture. We download 32-bit installer. Here is two type of installer. We download complete installer with file size is round about 384 megabytes. Here you can login, but at the moment we skip this step. Save file to your computer. Open folder that contains MySql installer, right-click, and click on Install. Here accept the license and click Next. Select Setup Type as Developer Default and click Next. Click Next again. Confirmation window appears. Click Yes. Click on Execute button and installation started. Now installation finished. Click Next. Click Next again for configuration. Here you select Developer Machine, remaining setting unchanged. Click Next. Here you define root password. Root is default super user with all privileges. If you want to add more user, you can add user from here. Click Next. Here is service name. You can uncheck this box if you do not run at startup. Click Next. Click Next again. In this window we have to apply server configuration. Click Execute. Click Finish. Click Next. Here you can test your root user and password. Click Next. Click Execute to apply remaining configuration. Click Finish. Click Next again and now setup complete. Click Finish again. Now MySql service is running.